Hi, welcome to this video. 3 ways to remove or to recover, permanently deleted photos on iPhone, right? The method number 1 is you can restore from recently deleted files, right? Or photos, Go ahead to your photos album, scroll a little bit down and hit the recently deleted, right? And you can recover by selecting the photo or video, okay? Secondly, you can restore from iCloud backup. Right? If you have an earlier iCloud backup that contains the photo, you can restore your entire device to that state. So go ahead to the Settings app, General, scroll it down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and you can erase all content in Settings. Right? So hit Continue. Right? During setup, choose Restore from iCloud backup and select, of course, a date before the photos were deleted. Method number 3 is you can check iCloud.com Finder, right? Or iCloud.com or iTunes Finder backup. You can visit iCloud.com, right? And log in, of course, using your credentials and try to pin down photos. And check the recently deleted photos there, right? So click your photos and check it out there, right? So you could also connect your iPhone to Mac or PC and open Finder or iTunes, but this is more complicated. You can do this like entirely from your phone, and it's much easier to actually recover, right? So if those methods fail, your final option is use reputable iPhone data recovery software like iBoySoft or iMyPhone DBack to scan your phone for temporary files, which works best if you stop using your phone immediately to avoid overwriting data. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.